So the first step is to create an account on Amazon KDP. So I'm going to Google KDP Amazon and we will click on the first link. And well, it's in French, I will put it in English, sorry. So you're gonna have amazon.com/English US. So you don't have an account yet, so you just put sign up. So you don't have an account yet, so you just leave it blank and you put create your KDP account here. And you fill the blank. And you put create your KDP account. And you will receive by email your OTP. You just check your email. And you copy paste in Amazon and you can create your KDP account. So you put agree and it will appear like this. Your account information is incomplete, so you just update now. And you will receive like a text message, so you put your phone number. So once you receive the message on your phone by text, you put the code, obviously, like I just did, and you fill the blank and the information. So obviously you fill with your own information and not mine, so I will fill it. So you just fill with your own information, okay? Okay, so you come to the part getting paid, so you will need to provide things about your bank account. So where is your bank? You put your country. If you are in the States, you put States, UK, whatever. So the currency in France is euro, so it will be automatically selected. So you put your name and you put the IBAN number and the information you find on your bank account. So I'll leave you fill it and put add. And you will need to complete your tax information now. So you save and continue. So a current question could be, do I have to build a business and to create a business to be able to get the money from Amazon? The answer is no. As long as you don't make like hundreds of dollars every month, you just put individual. And then if you start, when you start doing like 500, 600 per month, you will put your Amazon KDP account as a business. But for the moment, I suggest you stay as an individual, okay? So if you are from the US, obviously you say yes. I'm not, okay? Are you acting as an intermediary agent? No. And then you will have to fill again the information. So I know there is a lot of information, but don't worry, it's normal. Same as permanent address that you just put before. So maybe you have to repeat it. So once you have filled again this, you put done. Yeah. And then if you are from the US, you have like a tax account, so you need to put I have a US TIN. And if you're not resident in the US, you put I have a non-US TIN. So basically it's the number you find on your tax every year on the top of the documents. I guess in the US it's the same. And you click on continue. So you have to select again your country of residence and you confirm. And you have this, you are eligible for the 20 benefits, and you just have then to sign and submit. Okay, so you put your name again here. And there is a date and say save and preview. So again, you have all your information and you submit form. And you have your account validated. So you exit interview. And you can see that in green, you can save it. And if you go in the bookshelf, you can publish Kindle book, paperback. So we will be paperback as a low content publisher. And you will have your list here once you start creating some notebooks. And I'll just show you how it's working. So you have reports. Reports is where you will find everything you sold, all your books and results. And you will see your payments. So obviously there is nothing here because we just created it, but you will see your payments here. So let's start to work.